Hi guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a mini Amazon haul with you guys. I recently got some products from Amazon and all of these products that I bought, I've been wanting to try these products since a really long time, and I'm so glad I got my hands on these products because let me tell you guys, these products are worth every single penny and I cannot wait to share all of these products with you guys. So if you all are excited and want to know what all products I got in my mini haul from Amazon, then let's get started. The first product I have is the Body Shop Strawberry Hand Cream. Now let me tell you guys first, I'm someone who loves hand creams and I literally cannot survive one single day without hand creams. I know, a little too much, but that's the fact. I carry hand creams with me everywhere. Like if I'm going out, my bag would have a hand cream for sure, and I kind of like the smell of strawberry so much. And I did share this strawberry body wash from the Body Shop in one of my latest hauls with you guys. I love the fragrance of it, and that's why I really wanted to try this hand cream, like specifically the strawberry one. I guess they have a few other variants in the their hand creams, but I specifically wanted to try the strawberry one because I don't know, एक अलग ही type का fascination है मुझे strawberry fragrances से. So I got my hands on this one and I have to say that it's a little expensive, but it's so worth the money, guys. You know, this is the kind of hand cream that you can apply during the day and your hands won't feel like sticky. You can actually work on your laptop or on your mobile phones, because my work includes working on laptops and mobile phones like all day, right? So I wanted a hand cream which I can use during the day as well, and my hands don't feel like my skin doesn't feel oily or heavy. Also guys, this is extremely lightweight but nourishing at the same time as well, and in fact I've used this just before I started filming, and the fragrance, it's not too strong and it's neither too mild. It's just like the perfect balance, and it's absolutely amazing, guys. If you are looking for an amazing hand cream that smells pleasant and does its job in nourishing your hands, moisturizing your hands as well, then I think you should definitely try out this one. The next product is a lip polish and it's the Dot & Key Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. Now I have been wanting to try this product since a really long time. I mean, I'm not even kidding. I've heard such good things about this product, and this product is literally worth all the hype, trust me. I've used this product, I would say like 2 to 3 times, and oh my goodness, within one single use, guys, you would literally feel the difference on your lips. If your lips are a little bit on the pigmented side, you would feel that slight pinkish on your lips within the first use itself. At least I did for sure, and this definitely made my lips like plump as well, and of course like all the dead skin cells were gone completely. And of course it is a like lip scrub, so it's bound to do those things, but the experience which I had while using this one was literally amazing. I could feel my lips were like plumped and they were very clean and like sort of rosy as well. I have used a few lip scrubs earlier as well, but I think this has to be my favorite till date. Also, I really like the fact that this is extremely mild on your lips. So the thing is that, guys, the skin on our lips is very thin and we have to make sure that whatever scrub we are using is not very harsh. Also, I wanted to show you guys how cute the packaging is. I mean, all Dot & Key products have a really cute packaging, I have to admit, but this one looks extremely cute. It's absolutely travel friendly. Another great thing is that it comes with a spatula, which I think is amazing, so that you don't have to dip your fingers inside the product. My next product is the Dove Dry Shampoo, and this is their fresh coconut one. They also have a couple of other variants in their dry shampoo range. I have to say that I am in love with this product, and this is not like my first bottle. I've used 10 to 12 bottles of this product, I think more than that, because I'm someone who uses dry shampoo a lot. I wash my hair, I would say like twice a week, but my scalp is something which gets oily very quickly, especially in the summer months. I know the season is changing right now, but sometimes even in the winter months or the fall months, my scalp gets oily like anything, and I really need to have a dry shampoo. If you guys are looking for a good dry shampoo, then I would highly recommend you guys to try out the Dove one. This dry shampoo does not leave white cast, and I really really like the fact that it doesn't make your hair rough or hard. It actually, makes your hair very bouncy, very fluffy, and your hair would smell really amazing. So if you use this, I think you're good to go for at least 2 days. The next product we have is a rose water, and I'm someone who literally loves rose water like anything. They work great as a toner. You can also use them as a face mist, and you can basically use it anytime during the day. You can spray it all over your face and man, you're done. So this was one rose water which I've been dying to try because I've heard such amazing reviews about this particular product. This is the rose water by the Natural Wash. And this is for all skin types, and they say that it's a facial toner, mist and makeup remover. As a toner I've used it. I have used it as a mist as well, but I've not used it as a makeup remover. I generally don't like to use rose waters as my makeup remover, to be very honest. Also, it has no artificial fragrance and it's preservative free as well, which is amazing. I've used it a couple of times. Honestly, I would like to use it as more of a facial mist than a toner. This is very lightweight, guys. Like, it works amazingly as a mist, and you definitely feel really fresh when you use this product on your face. And you can use it like any time during the day, as I already mentioned. You can use it in the morning, night time, din mein kabhi bhi, if you feel like your face is looking dull, or you just want that like pick me up kind of feeling. Do I like it? Yes, I absolutely like it. I may or may not be using this as a toner, but I'll definitely be using it as a face mist, although I have used it only like a couple of times, like 2 to 3 times. And one thing is that you don't have to use it a lot, just a few spritz and fine, you're good to go. The next product I have is a roll-on, and this haul has such a good combination of products. It's very amusing, right? We've got skincare products, body care products, lip care products, hair care products. We've got everything in this mini haul. So anyways, coming back to this product, this is the Nivea Naturally Good Deodorant, and this is in Bio Green Tea. I really like this roll-on, guys. I've been using this roll-on since the time it was launched. I think it's been a couple of years or a year and a half since this was launched, and I've been using this ever since. I'm someone who typically does not use deodorants. I prefer roll-ons because they're very gentle on the skin, and I think this is really nice. This is very mild. I don't like deodorants that are like very harsh on the skin. I prefer something which is very mild. If you too prefer something of that sort, then I think you should definitely check out this one. I've used a lot of bottles of this one, so this is not like my first bottle or anything. I've used this one and the other variant in this Nivea roll-on range as well. So again, this is something which I really like, and I highly recommend you guys as well. The next product I have is a hair mask, and this is the SP Lux Oil Keratin Restore Hair Mask. And I have been wanting to try this hair mask since forever. I'm someone who loves to try out different hair masks, but ever since I've like got my hair colored, I've become very particular about the kind of hair products I want to use on my hair, right? Because you cannot use like all hair care products on color treated hair, so you have to be very particular, right? So I've been using their hair serum already. I also shared it in my previous videos. It's amazing. Coming back to the hair mask, I have used it about like 2 to 3 times, right? First of all, let me tell you, this smells amazing, and the smell literally stays on your hair for like good 2 days, I would say, or maybe like till the time you have your next hair wash, until and unless your scalp is like really oily. I would say for good 2 days your hair smells divine, okay? And you need just a teeny tiny bit of this product, not too much, trust me. I have long hair and I don't have to use a lot of this product, just this much, and I'm literally good to go, trust me. And I think this is going to last me months, I would say. Also, I know it's a little expensive, but I think it's really good for your hair. It maintains the quality of your hair. Your hair doesn't feel frizzy. It's extremely shiny, like just after one single use of this particular product, you will definitely see the difference. My last 2 products are going to be lip care products, and the first one is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, and this is in Apple Lime. I'm someone who's crazy about these lip masks by Laneige, and there is this pink one which I use daily. beauty, right? I feel very uncomfortable if I don't use that lip balm on my lips like every single night, trust me. And I'm so crazy about that product that usko khatam hone se pehle I order, you know, like a new bottle, and I've been using that pink one. I think you call it the berry one, but I have been wanting to try this one since a really long time, and I finally got my hands on this one. This one is 20 grams, the other one is I think 5 or 10 grams, so this is definitely a little more expensive than their, you know, like regular sizes. I haven't honestly tried out this product as of now, and look how beautiful it looks, right? I just don't feel like, you know, like dipping my finger and spoiling this consistency. And this is this tiny little pouch in which this spatula comes in, and I think it's super duper cute. The next product is a lip balm by Body Shop, and this is their Hemp Heavy Duty Lip Care. I have been using this for over 2 days now, and I have to say that the consistency of this lip balm feels very similar to their Vitamin E lip balm. It has a very like mild fragrance, like extremely mild, not something which would bother you. And I really like its consistency because, you know, these lip balms are perfect for, you know, someone who has extremely dry or chapped lips. Given the fact that they are extremely nourishing and, you know, like moisturizing, I feel like Body Shop lip balms also work on the skin tone of your lips. I don't know whether it's just me or you guys have noticed that too, but whenever I use, like consistently use Body Shop lip balms, I can really feel the difference on the skin tone of my lips. Alright you guys, so that was my mini Amazon haul and my mini review of these products. Let me know in the comment section if there's any product that you guys would want to try. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family, everyone you know. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do. It would mean so much to me. Also, you can find the links of all of these products in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Also, Amazon is running their Great Indian Festive Sale, so make sure you check out all the products because there are some crazy deals and discounts going on their website. So that's a wrap for now, and I'll see you guys very, very soon in my next video. Bye!